Hello and welcome to Bud's Smart Home. I just wanted to get a quick video out to you to let you know that the new user interface for SmartThings is up and running. So if you haven't checked it out yet, please do so. You'll need to log into your SmartThings account, and when you do so, you'll see that this little notice up here introducing a new improved user interface for the SmartThings Advanced User. Click here to redirect. So if you're used to the old Groovy interface, the IDE, that is where you'll go to be redirected to the new website. So you just click on this link up here. By the way, the old IDE will not be accessible after July 10th. So you'll want to be sure to go in and make sure you redirect to the new user interface. So again, you just click on this link here to redirect, and that'll take you to the new web interface. It looks pretty nice. It says up here, explore and manage your SmartThings with this advanced web app. For the regular SmartThings web app, please visit my SmartThings site. So it says, welcome to the advanced web app. Whether you're an advanced SmartThings user or new to SmartThings, the SmartThings app lets you manage your locations and control your devices anywhere with a web browser. So this will tell you how many devices you have registered, how many rooms you have, how many devices are online, how many devices are offline. This allows you to manage your locations, explore your hub, and also control your devices. Now you'll see here is a link to go to your devices. There's also shortcuts over here on this side that take you to the locations that you have, the hub. I only have one location, one hub. And then if you click on the devices tab, you'll see a list of all your devices. Now this list can be expanded. If you go down here, you can click up to 30 rows and look at all your devices. You have your device label, the device name. So this is the AOTech repeater. It's a range extender. It's on my location of Bud's home. It's on my Bud's home hub. It's in the living room. So it shows you the room that it's installed, the type of device it is, either Z-Wave or Zigbee, whether it's executing locally or on the cloud. It also gives you the percentage of battery left in the device, which is kind of nice. Tells you the status of the device, whether it's online or offline, and shows when it was last updated. You notice here you can add a device in here if you wish. You can also click on each device, and it'll give you a lot of detail about the ID, the device profile, the room, and you can change the room here if you want to switch to a different room or if you wanted to add a room. More importantly, it shows the driver that's installed. This would be the Edge driver, and it gives you a tab to manage your drivers. We'll click on that in just a moment. It also gives you the manufacturing code and the model number here, which may be useful if you have a device that needs an Edge driver and you want to reference the manufacturer's code and the model number. Again, shows local execution. It's a Z-Wave device. And up here you'll see there's a tab where you can jump to attributes, commands, preferences, and events. So let's click on this Manage Hubs Drivers. So here is all information about all the drivers that are on the hub. It listed the driver channels, and if you also can go to the installed drivers. So this is a list which can be expanded of all the different drivers that I already have installed on my specific hub, and you can look at those as well on your particular interface. Going back to this menu, you can click on Scenes, and I have 4 scenes installed, as you can see here, and you can run those scenes from this location. There's also installed apps. I have the Home Monitor and the Smart Lock Guest Access installed. And then this tab here, My SmartThings, will take you to this SmartThings Web interface that I've shown you before on this channel, where you have the dashboard, which contains all of the favorite devices that you have installed on the first tab on your mobile device. And then these are all the rooms that you have set up. You can see those in here. And by the way, you can control devices on here. For instance, this is my garage bench light. I can turn it on from here. You can also see history information, power meter, those sort of activities on here, a history of those. And then this last tab, automation's pretty basic. It basically has your scenes and automations, which are basically your smart apps here. There's not, you really can't see any of your setup automations or routines on here. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to get this out to you. It's not a fancy video, but I wanted you to be aware that the new interface is up and running, and it's pretty nice. Got a lot of details in it that might be helpful if you're trying to troubleshoot a device. That's all I got for you today. Hey, thanks for watching. See you next time.